Hey, I had to stop working to record this. Working on cars, I've seen some crappy stuff. This belt, I mean, on the outside, it's not exactly bad. This is the main drive belt for this M45, the one that goes over the water pump, crank, tensioner, idler, AC compressor. What's up there again? Alternator. Yeah, that's it. So this is it. It doesn't look very pretty. I mean, it's got cracks. Cracks are not exactly bad, but when you have missing chunks from the ribs, now that's a problem. Okay, so I thought that was bad and I threw it away because I know I usually have spares up there. These are used belts, but they're in good condition, so I do save a bunch of them up there. Then I removed the power steering belt, which is down here. Gone. None at all. This thing is no ribs at all. This is by far one of the worst setups I've ever seen. Will probably not. Oh, wait a minute. Here's a tooth. Here's a tooth. Just one single tooth. This is horrible. And this belt must have been squealing. No, actually it wasn't because I've run the car for a little bit. But I know it is not healthy by any means. Probably not really doing any driving. When you gave this car gas, I doubt this thing was driving anything properly or efficiently. Anyway, I'll get back to work. As I said, this was just one of the worst situations I've ever seen with this engine. It's an interesting mix of things. Pretty clean in different places, oil leaks in weird places, oldest, crappiest belts ever. I really don't fully understand the maintenance philosophy that the previous owner ran this thing with. Coolant system was trash, Anyway, I just wanted to show this. This was, yeah, bar none, this is crappy. This is probably the most horrible I've seen them. Alright, guys, change them. Change your belts. Whenever you do your oil changes, take some time to check your belts as well, okay? Alright.